You mind if we get a picture of your experience and tell us about Casey's?
Of course.
All right. Extra smiles are appreciated. See, you got the Celebration King. Boom booms. You got the boom booms.
Ultimate battle. Only $39.95 when you spend $400.
And he's got planetary alignment, Rockstar, Steel, so $30 off. The Night Rider's amazing. Shaman.
Two of those. Yes, sir.
Two specials.
Two specials.
Two extra specials.
What else? And we got everything on the table.
Okay.
I didn't get those celebration crackers. Oh,
Because he was celebrating. You see that dance? He was breaking it out.
These are 10,000 towels. Look,
Woo-hoo-hoo.
10,000 towels. And then you got 10,000 towels.
I got 2 towels, but not 10,000 towel. They're red, white, and blue though. I guess we got 3 of them. So can you tell us about your Casey Fireworks experience?
Well,
So-
not only are there great deals, there's a lot of fun entertainment.
There's a lot of fireworks.
And I know you had fun. You see that smile? I don't think you wait that smile off.
29. I got it.
So can you,
Fishies.
yeah. So can you tell us about your fireworks shooting plan? You gonna,
Started off slow and then end with a bang.
yeah.
Started off with a bang as well.
But you're gonna shoot like two every hour or so, and
Yeah,
then
roughly 2 every hour, and then just light it all at one time.
and
Night.
then we got lit freedom rings. So we got the special on the 5-inch shells. They're $30 off.
They were
today.
160.